हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ 10th क्लास में आ सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है द रेशो ऑफ द एलसीएम एंड एचसीएफ ऑफ द लीस्ट कंपोजिट एंड द लीस्ट प्राइम नंबर इज डैश। तो लीस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर होता है 4 और लीस्ट प्राइम नंबर होता है 2। एलसीएम ऑफ 2 एंड 4, अगर हम इसका एलसीएम फाइंड करें, यू ऑल नो दिस मेथड, तो इसके एलसीएम में आएगा 4 और HCF इसका आएगा 2 और 4 का 2। नाउ यू वांट टू फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ LCM एंड HCF, तो यहाँ पर इनकी वैल्यूज आप पुट कर दीजिए। आफ्टर सॉल्यूशन 2:1 विल बी द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर। हियर आई हैव नॉट रिटन ऑल द 4 ऑप्शंस, आई हैव सॉल्व्ड इट एंड माइंडेड बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, in MCQ type of questions you will have to solve them in short. Don't waste too much time, but blindly you don't put the tick mark on any option. जहाँ पर ज़रूरी है वहाँ पर आपको उसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा रफली। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेट्स सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द वैल्यू ऑफ k for which the line 5x plus 7y is equal to 3 and 15x plus 21y is equal to k coincide for coincident lines. We have the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So here was first we will write this condition. In short, you'll have to do in rough paper, you should use it solving this question. So here a1 by 2 is 5 by 15, b1 by b2 will be 7 by 21 and c1 is 3, c2 is k. Now when you solve it, any two you can take these two or you can take this and this, first and third. We cannot take first and second because here we don't have k. We want to find the value of k. So after solution, k's value will come 9. This is question number 2. Now take third question. A girl walks 200 meter towards east and then 150 meter towards north. The distance of the girl from the starting point is how much? This is the starting point or initial point. From this point she went 200 meter towards east. After reaching here she went 150 meter towards north. Now they are asking what is the distance between this final position and this initial position. If you join it, it will become right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem will be applied. So here this is hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So here we will put the values and after solving 250 meter will be the answer. So that is the distance between final position and initial position. Now next question is the lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 32 centimeter. Then the length of the altitude of the rhombus is how much? 4 options they have given. So area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into first diagonal into second diagonal. D1 means first diagonal, D2 means second diagonal. So here we will put the values. You can solve it here or keep it like this. Also we know the area of the rhombus. One more formula is that base into altitude. So if you take base 24, then altitude I have only denoted by A. Now this is the area of same rhombus and that is also the area of same rhombus. So both will be equal. So here I have put both equal. 24 into A, in this case area of rhombus, and second this one. Here 24 and 24 will be cancelled. Here A is left and here this 2 will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 and 2 16s are 32. After solution altitude is coming 16, but here you see 16 option is not given. So we will take again, in this case we will take base 32. In first case I took base 24, in second case we will take base 32. यहाँ base 32 लिया है, तो यहाँ पर भी एरिया तो वही होगा, सेम फिगर का एरिया, ये भी इसी रोम्बस का एरिया है और ये भी इसी रोम्बस का एरिया है. तो हियर अगेन दे विल बी इक्वल. नाउ 32 एंड 32 विल बी कैंसल्ड. ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे तो यहाँ ए बचा, यहाँ 2 ones are 2 एंड ऑन 2 stable it will go on 12. So A or altitude is coming 12. Here you see 12 option is given, so this will be the answer. Next question we have, 2 coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least one head, at most one head, exactly one head and no head? You see boys and girls, एक coin has two faces, one is head, one is tail. So one formula is there, 2 raised to the power n. 2 means two faces of the coin and n means number of times. So if two coins are tossed once or if one coin is tossed two times, the same formula will be applied. So here because two coins are given, so in place of n we will write 2. Now 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. That means total number of outcomes in such case will come 4. See here, one first you write head and one is tail. Now here we will write head and tail, head and tail. Now we will write the sample space or total number of outcomes. First we will write head and head, h, head tail, here I have written, tail head, here I have written, tail and tail I have written here. Now probability of at least one head, at least means कम से कम, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दो भी हो सकते हैं. So at least one head, here at least one head, here also at least one head, and here two heads are there. So minimum one head should be there, maximum two can also be taken. So here how many times it is coming? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 will come in the numerator. And how many total number of outcomes we have? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 by 4 is the probability of at least one head. Similarly, probability of at most one head means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा maximum one head होना चाहिए. तो maximum one head, यहाँ पर एक हेड है, यहाँ भी एक हेड है, यहाँ कोई हेड नहीं है. तो मैक्सिमम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक हो सकता है और मिनिमम कोई भी नहीं हो सकता. तो ये भी लिया जाए क्योंकि यहाँ कोई हेड नहीं है. सो हियर ऑल्सो 1, 2 and 3 केसेस आर देयर. तो 1, 2 and 3 अपॉन 4 टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स विल बी रिटन इन द डिनोमिनेटर. एंड हियर इज सेइंग एग्जैक्टली वन हेड, सिर्फ एग्जैक्टली वन हेड होना चाहिए, एक से ज़्यादा नहीं. तो यहाँ देखो एक हेड यहाँ है, एक हेड यहाँ है, यहाँ कोई भी हेड नहीं तो इसे भी हमें छोड़ना पड़ेगा. यहाँ दो हेड हैं तो इसे भी छोड़ना पड़ेगा. एग्जैक्टली का मतलब एग्जैक्ट वन हेड शुड बी देयर. सो हियर वी हैव 2 and total number of outcomes are 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is third part. And no head in fourth part is asking no head. So in this case only no head is there because here is one head, here one head, here two heads. So no head means 1 by 4. Here you can see 1 by 4 is the probability of no head. So I think you have understood. If you understood, you share with your friends and like it if you liked. It's okay. Thank you, students.